Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview of Samsung washing machine WW. So by this button you are turning on or off the device. There we have the auto control. The next one is a temperature button. This one it's for a rinse. If you hold this together you're gonna enable the child lock. The next one is a spin button. If you hold it with the rinse button you can manage the sounds. And the last one it's for extra function buttons. You can turn on the pre-wash, for example, by this button. This button it's a bubble soak, I think. And the next one is for a delayed start. And this one it's a easy ironing function. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.